Welcome to this tutorial on syncing Obsidian with Google Drive. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking and knowledge management tool, and integrating it with Google Drive can enhance your productivity and accessibility. To begin, you need to have an Obsidian account and a Google Drive account. If you don't have these, create them now. Once you have both accounts, open Obsidian and navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Plugins option and search for the Google Drive plugin. Install the Google Drive plugin and then click on the Configure button. You will be asked to authenticate your Google Drive account, so click on the link provided and follow the prompts to authorize Obsidian to access your Google Drive. After authenticating your Google Drive account, you will be asked to select the folder where you want to sync your Obsidian vault. Choose the desired folder and then click on the Sync button. Obsidian will now start syncing your vault with the selected Google Drive folder. To ensure seamless syncing, it is essential to understand the sync settings. Obsidian offers two-way syncing, which means any changes made to your vault in Obsidian will be reflected in Google Drive and vice versa. You can also set up sync intervals to determine how frequently Obsidian syncs with Google Drive. Best practices for syncing Obsidian with Google Drive include regularly checking for sync errors and conflicts, using clear and descriptive file names, and organizing your vault into folders and subfolders. By following these best practices, you can ensure a smooth and efficient syncing experience. In conclusion, syncing Obsidian with Google Drive is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your productivity and accessibility. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and implementing best practices, you can seamlessly integrate Obsidian with Google Drive and take your note-taking and knowledge management to the next level.